What about lifespan? There's that old story, isn't there, about eagles getting old and doing some drastic...
Ah, yes, the rebirth myth. The story goes that an old eagle flies to a mountaintop, breaks off its beak against a rock, plucks out its talons and feathers, and then waits for new ones to grow, emerging reborn.
Sounds incredibly painful.
Yeah.
And not very likely.
Right. It's a powerful metaphor for renewal, and it appears in different cultures, but scientifically, it's definitely more myth than reality. Eagles don't do that. Their beaks and talons grow continuously, and they molt feathers gradually like other birds. There's no dramatic, self-mutilating overhaul.
Okay, so no magical rebirth, but the truth about how long they live is pretty impressive anyway, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. Even without the myth, their longevity is remarkable. In the wild, eagles can live for a very long time. Up to 30 years is quite possible for some species like the bald eagle.
30 years in the wild, that's ancient for a bird.
It really is. And in captivity, protected from the hazards of wildlife, some have lived even longer, potentially reaching 70 years in rare cases.
70, wow. What allows them to live so long, especially in the wild?
Several factors. Being at the top of the food chain helps adult eagles have very few natural predators. Their incredible eyesight helps them spot danger as well as food. Their efficiency means they don't waste energy. And they're highly adaptable survivors. It's that combination of traits, honed by evolution, that contributes to their long lives.
Resilience and adaptability. That makes sense. And this adaptability, this position at the top, it means they play a pretty crucial role in their environment too, doesn't it? More than just being a cool predator.
Hugely important. This is something that maybe doesn't get talked about enough. Eagles aren't just predators, they're often what we call keystone species.
Keystone species, meaning they have a disproportionately large impact on their ecosystem.
Exactly that. Their presence or absence can drastically affect the entire structure and balance of their habitat. By hunting fish, rodents, other birds, they keep those populations in check.
So they prevent prey populations from getting out of control.
Precisely. Imagine if rodent populations exploded, they could decimate vegetation, which then impacts insects, other herbivores, everything down the line. Eagles help maintain that delicate balance. They're not just hunters, they're regulators, protectors of the natural cycle.
Can you give an example of that impact?
A stark example is the Philippine eagle. It's critically endangered, and scientists believe its disappearance could lead to the collapse of its entire forest ecosystem because its role in controlling populations of things like monkeys and lemurs is so vital. It really highlights how interconnected everything is.